Mastering Prepositions of Manner, the Easy Guide. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our lesson today on prepositions of manner. Prepositions can often be tricky, but don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we're diving deep into prepositions of manner, which are used to describe how something happens or how something is done. Ready to master these essential English grammar components? Let's get started. Prepositions of manner mainly answer the question, how? They provide additional information about the way or style in which an action is performed. For example, the sentence, "She writes with a fountain pen," employs the preposition with to describe the manner in which she writes. There are many prepositions of manner, but today we'll focus on three of the most common: by, with, and in. By. This preposition can be used to indicate a specific method or way of doing something. For example, I go to work by bus. Here, by shows the manner of travel. With can describe the instrument used to accomplish something. Example, she cut the vegetables with a knife. In. Although in is often associated with location, it can also describe the manner of an action, often related to an expression or feeling. For example, he said it in a loud voice. Let's see more examples of these prepositions in sentences. 1. He learns English by watching movies. Method. 2. She always smiles with joy. Expression. 3. The news was delivered in a dramatic fashion. Style. Remember, the best way to get comfortable with these prepositions is to practice using them in your everyday English conversations. And that wraps up our guide on mastering prepositions of manner. Prepositions might seem small, but they're mighty in meaning. By understanding and using prepositions like by, with, and in, you can add depth to your English speaking and writing. Keep practicing, and before long, you'll be using these prepositions of manner like a pro. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.